everybody, welcome back to another video. This is the second time I've tried to film this, okay. The light is setting, I don't have much time, but I need to tell you about something that I've been thinking about recently. I've been looking at all of the Bratz transformations that have been trending on YouTube recently. That sort of thing is something that a lot of people are doing right now. And I had Bratz when I was younger. I loved Bratz. So of course, that is something that appeals to me. I would love to transform into a Bratz doll. But no, that's not what we're doing today, because I thought about turning myself into a Bratz doll, and then I thought about my painting skills, my makeup skills, and I just don't think that's going to go very well. I don't think my skills are up to par enough to turn me into a Bratz doll. I had a thought about what else I could turn myself into. I think my makeup skills are much more aligned with something like pop figures. I've got a little Hermione here. She's making a potion. She's got a very rectangular head. Oh god. So pop figures, as you may know, have quite simple faces. They have big round black eyes, bold eyebrows, a very triangular pointy nose, no mouth, and I think that's a lot simpler than a Bratz doll, a lot easier, something that I might be able to achieve. I'm not a makeup artist, I'm not a body painter, I'm not even like that skilled at drawing or painting on paper, let alone a body. So this isn't a tutorial, and who knows how it's gonna go. So as you can see, I have some supplies in front of me. I've got cardboard. Yes, I was looking at the pop figures' faces. Oh, although they have very simple features, and that is quite achievable, they do have very rectangular heads. My face is not rectangular, as you can see. If it's anything rectangular, then it's rectangular this way, long ways up, you know? Whereas the pop figures have like horizontal rectangular faces. I think the only way, actually there's probably multiple ways that you could achieve a rectangular face, perhaps just with some makeup, just to try and alter your face a little bit. But I want a really rectangular face. So I thought I could use cardboard to cut out a rectangle for my face, then paint on top of that. Oh, we've got our rectangle. The next stage is to have a sip of hot chocolate. Oh my god. There's a hole. Can you see the hole? Oh, we're getting close now. I think we're there. Now, I just need to find a way to attach it to my face so that I don't have to hold it there. If we get some clear fishing wire, poke some holes through the cardboard, and then make it the perfect length to go around my head. Let's try that. Aha, hello. This works well. I'm gonna have to put it on and tie the knot when I'm actually gonna do the makeup, because if I tie it now, it's gonna be solid to my face, and because it doesn't stretch, I'm not gonna be able to take it off. But here we go. This is my initial face. I think that is it for the card face base. The next step will be tying it to my head and putting the makeup on to fully transform my face. Yes, but I'm gonna do that another day because the sun is setting. There we go. I will see you in the next clip when we're putting on my face. It's a different day and I'm ready to paint my face and my extra face. I have had some thoughts about this since filming the first part that you've just seen, and I mean, what? So I've got my hair up in a hairnet because I have some wigs behind me ready to put on once I've done the makeup. The first step is to attach the cardboard and look silly for the rest of the video. Oh my god, I look so stupid. I can barely hear myself, so I don't know how loud I'm speaking. Am I speaking really loud? So the first step is done. So let's mark out where we want the eyes to go. Their eyes are very far out. It might just have to be like here and not even include my eyes, because that would be quite close together if I did the eyes over my eyes. Oh, I didn't even think this through. It might not even need to reach my face. I'm gonna have to cover my eyes in nothing and just close them, and it's not gonna look good. Yeah, okay. The circle is being formed. Can you see my markings? Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. We've got 2 eyes. The only thing that I'm actually using on my face is my nose. So what is the point in my face being in this? Okay. At the moment, I just look like Mickey Mouse. I'm just gonna go in and fill in everywhere that needs to be skin coloured, which is most places, so all of this cardboard except for the eyes and all of my face. Literally all of my face, my eyebrows, all over my eyes, all over my mouth. Okay. Well, you can definitely still see my lips and my eyes and my eyebrows, but we can try and fix that later. Stipple it a bit. Maybe give it some texture. Is it blending in yet? Is it blending in? I think the foundation is done. Now, I guess we might as well fill in the eyes now. Let's just try and be really neat now. Yes, that is what I'm looking for. That's a pretty good circle there. It's a pretty good eye. I like it. Just got to do the other side the same now. I do look like Mickey Mouse. Oh, oh, okay. Oh, it's looking pretty good. It's looking pretty good. So this is where we're at. Let me close my eyes and see what it looks like. You tell me. Does it look good? I definitely need to conceal my eyebrows better and possibly my lips, and then we need to contour my nose. We need to add some eyelashes. Oh, we need to draw new eyebrows. Seriously, I'm really quite relaxed doing this. I'm so relaxed. I wanted this to be like a funny, silly video, but I'm just having so much fun. I'm amazed. It actually looks kind of like an eyebrow. Whoa. Okay. Eyebrows. Okay, now that the eyebrows are done, I feel like we can do the eyelashes, which really worry me. Okay, let's just look at Hermione's eyelashes. This side is definitely much better than this side. Right, so let me close my eyes and really think about a pop figure and tell me, does it look like a pop figure yet? Let's try and cover up the eyebrows. Maybe if I try and use some concealer? How about if we just make a deal to not look at my eyebrows or my lips? Oh god. So let's just try and contour my nose, shall we? Really want that pointy end shape, just like that. Oh, just like that. Kind of. Okay, I think we need to make the chin shorter because it's just too long at the moment. Wasted all that foundation on that chin. That is how you get cosmetic surgery. No, I'm joking, don't try that at home. Okay, I do think that improves the shape of the head. It looks much more rectangular now and it looks much more proportionate with the eyes. We need to put a tiny bit of blush on the cheeks. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, I can see the pop figure face. It's just totally ruined by my face being right in the middle of it. It looks so stupid when you see my face. I think our pop figure face is done. Let's have a side-by-side comparison. So now we just need to put on the wig. I've got 3 options. I've got my pink short lace front wig. The lace around the face, when I wear it, is quite loose and baggy, so I think it might have a big head area, and I picked this one because it's got a fringe and I thought maybe a fringe might help it blend in, but then also the fringe is like half the size of the head, so perhaps that might look a bit weird. So then I've got a third option, which is my longest, biggest wig, has a lace front, because I thought the more hair, the better I'll be able to blend it in, maybe. Oh my god, this kind of works. Oh, look what I just did. I've given her a beauty mark. Is it working? Does it look like a pop figure though? Right, there's a lot of things you need to ignore now. You need to ignore this wire coming out here. You need to ignore the weird hairline. You need to ignore my face. And you need to ignore these really bright bits that I've now put on there. Moment of truth. Let me close my eyes and my mouth and see if the illusion is real. Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Am I a pop figure yet? Do I look like a pop figure? At least from afar? Do you know what? This would have worked a lot better if I didn't cut out my whole face, if I just cut out really small holes for my eyes and a hole for my nose and just had the cardboard completely covering everything else. I've basically just painted some cardboard instead of my face. But yeah, there we go. I'm a pop figure. I was gonna say let me know what you think of this, but maybe don't. Don't let me know what you think. But I do hope you've enjoyed the video. I hope it's been entertaining in some way. But yes, thank you very much for watching. I'm gonna go and stand on somebody's shelf, maybe in a box, maybe even in a protector inside of the box, outside of the box. A box in a box. I'm gonna go be a pop figure. Okay, I hope you've enjoyed the video. I hope to see you again in the next one, and I will talk to you again as not a pop figure very soon. Bye! Bye. I should perfect being able to talk without opening my mouth. Okay, here we go. I will talk to you again very soon, or at least my human form will. I'm a pop figure, you know. Okay. Bye!